Welcome, students. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mass and temperature change. But first, let's define our key terms. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and temperature change refers to the difference in temperature before and after a change occurs. Think about cooking. The amount of ingredients you use, or mass, and how long you cook them, affect the final outcome of your dish. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you're making hot chocolate. What happens when you add more cocoa powder?
It tastes stronger.
Exactly. Adding more cocoa powder increases the mass of the mixture, resulting in a richer flavor. Now consider a pot of water. What happens when you heat it for different amounts of time?
The longer you heat it, the hotter it gets.
Precisely. Heating the water for longer periods increases the temperature change, leading to higher temperatures. Let's think about insulation in a house. How does adding insulation affect the temperature inside?
It keeps it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer.
Absolutely. Adding insulation reduces heat transfer, resulting in smaller temperature changes inside the house. Today, we've explored how mass and temperature change are interconnected in our daily lives. Remember, understanding these concepts helps us make sense of the world around us.